Hello, Jason here from septictank.co.uk, and in this live broadcast we're going to be looking at how to convert your septic tank into a treatment plant or a treatment system. So why would you want to do that? Why would you want to convert your existing septic tank into a sewage treatment system? Well, as you probably know by now, every septic tank that was installed prior to 2015, septic tank owners must now apply for something called retrospective planning approval. And this law literally changed just recently. So if you're a septic tank owner, every septic tank owner in the UK must now apply for something called retrospective planning approval. And what that means is this: you have to spend 350 quid for the application, but it doesn't mean that your septic tank that you've got installed will be approved. If it smells, if it's blocked, if it's leaking, if it's tired, if it's worn, if it's in a state of disrepair, it will not be approved. And local building control will get you to stop using your septic tank, okay? Number one, until you get an approved installer or someone else to spend 15, 20, 25,000 quid on one of those biodigesters. And this is what's happening, and it's making many people angry, making many people cross and frustrated. So these new rules and regulations all come into force on the 1st of Jan 2020. So the whole reason I've done this broadcast is because I'm going to show you how you can make your septic tank legal and approved without having to spend 15, 20, 25,000 quid. So we're going to go over to my computer now, and I'm going to show you how you can convert your septic tank into a treatment plant. Come over here, have a look at this. All right, so here we go. So here's a typical situation. Here's a house, here's a septic tank, and here's the soakaway going into the soil. So all right, so let's just open this up here. So let's take the tank panel off. So what normally happens is this: all the horrible poo and wee and other yucky water goes into the septic tank like so, okay? And then it comes out into the soil through the outlet pipe, okay? So, and that's what happens. So, and this is what it looks like inside the soakaway. This is basically what it looks like. It's poo, it's wee, it's washing machine liquid, it's bath water, it's everything else. And this is what's making people angry at the moment: the pollution that comes from raw sewage like this just going into the soil. So as I've told you, they're trying to get everyone to put these biodigesters in. So let me show you a real easy way now in which you can convert your septic tank into a treatment plant. Have a look at this, right? So what you do is this, okay? So let me just turn this off here. All right, so all you need to do is dig a small hole next to your septic tank, like so. Put in the septic tank converter, just like so, okay? Then all you need to do is dig a small little hole for your soakaway pit, like so. All right, you put the soakaway pipe from the converter into the soakaway pit. You fill the soakaway pit with gravel, and that's how it works. And the converter will turn all that raw sewage into safe, clean liquid that you can see coming out here, which will protect the environment, which will protect your family. But more than that, these non-electrical systems, right? These non-electrical systems will convert your sewage, your septic tank into a treatment plant. They will give you the big, fat, green tick of approval. So after you spent your 350 quid, right, when they find out, when you tell them what system you've got in, you've got a government-approved septic tank converter in, then they'll be happy, right? Because let's face it, 99% of people up and down the UK aren't doing this at the moment. They're leaving it to the last minute. So there you go. So how much money will you save? Well, not only will you make your septic tank compliant, but it isn't going to cost you 15 grand. It won't cost you 20, won't cost you 25. The septic tank converters that we sell on septictank.co.uk are 2999. They're so easy to install. You or your builder can literally install them within a couple of hours. So there you go. So I hope this live broadcast has helped you. If you want any free help, if you want any free advice, free information, just go to septictank.co.uk. Give me a ring, and I look forward to speaking to you soon.